Ever pondered the conundrum of converting professional networking data into actionable insights? It's not as easy as it sounds. The vast and complex nature of such data, with its inherent noise and lack of clear relationships, can pose a significant challenge. This was the predicament faced by a leading business school in the USA, as they sought to gather, process, and analyze networking data on a massive scale. Enter Blackcoffer, an organization known for its global team of experts and commitment to providing powerful insights. They partnered with the business school to design and develop a tool capable of not only collecting and managing the networking data, but also transforming it into a form suitable for detailed analysis. The tool was able to generate comprehensive reports and visualizations, making it easier for businesses to understand and interpret the data. It also had a user-friendly interface, allowing users to easily navigate and interact with the tool. One of the key features of the tool was its ability to perform sentiment analysis on social media data. This allowed businesses to gauge public opinion and sentiment towards their brand, products, or services. By analyzing the sentiment of social media posts, businesses could identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. Another important feature of the tool was its predictive analytics capabilities. By analyzing historical data and identifying patterns and trends, the tool could make predictions and forecasts about future outcomes. This helped businesses in making informed decisions and planning for the future. The tool also had advanced data visualization capabilities. It could create interactive charts, graphs, and maps, allowing users to explore and analyze the data in a visual and intuitive way. This made it easier for businesses to identify patterns, trends, and outliers in the data. Overall, the tool developed by Blackcoffer was a powerful and versatile solution for data analysis and processing. It provided businesses with the tools and insights they needed to make data-driven decisions and gain a competitive edge in the market. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, the tool was truly a game-changer in the field of data analytics. The impact of this solution was profound. The once unstructured data was transformed into a structured format, ready for further analysis and interpretation. The data was used for business insights and strategic decisions, and the analysis was even published in a journal publication. The accuracy of the data was impeccable, with over 40,000 individuals' data managed smoothly and over 10 million rows of historical data delivered. This processed data helped the business understand a person's background behind their success and patterns, and aided R&D in understanding common skills, universities, and schools behind inventions and successful companies. In summary, the challenge of turning professional networking data into actionable insights was met head-on by Blackcoffer. Their developed tool was able to collect, process, transform, manage, and analyze the data in a way that was useful and insightful. Their solution transformed unstructured data into a structured format, allowing for detailed analysis and strategic decision-making. The impact of this solution was far-reaching, with the data used for business insights, strategic decisions, and even published research. It's clear that Blackcoffer is at the forefront of turning professional networking data into actionable insights.